If you are looking for an AI content detector to check whether text was written by AI or a human, you have probably come across Winston AI. But is it actually worth using in 2026? In this video, I'll quickly cover what Winston AI does, its biggest pros and cons, and whether it's the right tool for you. What is Winston AI? Winston AI is an AI content detection platform designed to identify text generated by models like ChatGPT, Gemini, Cloudy, and other large language models. It's commonly used by educators, publishers, recruiters, marketers, and businesses that want to review AI generated content before publishing or submitting documents. Besides AI detection, Winston AI also includes plagiarism detection and OCR support, allowing you to scan PDFs and image based documents. Key features. Here are its standout features: AI content detection with sentence by sentence analysis, plagiarism checking to identify copied content, OCR technology for extracting text from scanned documents, detailed reports that highlight which sections are likely AI generated, team collaboration and API access for organizations that need to automate content verification. The interface is clean and beginner friendly, making it easy to upload documents and view results. Pros and cons. Pros: fast and easy to use, supports multiple document formats, combines AI detection with plagiarism checking, detailed supports with highlighted text, suitable for both individuals and teams. Cons: like every AI detector, it is not 100% accurate. AI generated text that's heavily edited can be difficult to detect. Some advanced features require a paid subscription. Final verdict. So is Winston AI the best AI content detector in 2026? It's definitely one of the stronger options available. The combination of AI detection, plagiarism scanning, OCR support, and an easy to use interface makes it a solid choice for educators, businesses, and content teams. However, no AI detector should be treated as a final judge. Results should always be combined with human review, especially for important decisions. If you need a reliable AI content detection tool, Winston AI is worth considering. If this review helped you, do not forget to like the video and subscribe for more AI software reviews. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.